Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we will review one P Bandai kit from GELGOOG. It's a GELGOOG gMS-01. I think the same as previous GELGOOG, I think. So let's see. We open first this one. This is a P Bandai, no info at the side of the box. First, the GELGOOG DC. This is the manual. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Got 3 pack here. So open one by one. Got planet E, I think a blue color. The eye and the beam saber effect parts. Then this is C2. Then for the armor, this is like a dark color one. So G, see for the armor parts, and this C1 in the frame, and this is D1. See, you have a gun here and some of the hand option parts. So we have a cable here, and so another gun D2, and trigger hand here, and F2 and F1. So this is for the armor parts here. You can see green color and black color here. So it's a manual, so black and white. Then okay, we start with the head parts. I think the same as GELGOOG previous. Maybe after finish we can do the comparison. So the head part here, the body parts, so the hand, then legs, waist here, legs. We don't have a sticker here. Don't have sticker. Don't have sticker. The backpack here. Weapon, got 2 guns and 1 beam saber. Then the connector, you can store the beam saber and 2 gun at the back. And this one for cable, wire. I think same as previous. Maybe some parts like the head parts, I think different. And obviously the color lah. And the beam saber can use a 2-way. We have a 2-way beam saber, this one. So this is something new lah. Okay, I think that's all for review. Unboxing GELGOOG GQ. Then we will do the speed build and review later. Okay, all. Thank you for watching.